Welcome to what's new in Passware Kit's summer release video. The latest 2023 version 3 now detects and unlocks password-protected Apple Notes SQLite databases acquired from Macs, iPhones, and other Apple devices. If iCloud is enabled for Notes, they get synced across all devices of the same iCloud account, including password-protected Notes. The recovery speed for Apple Notes can reach up to 184,000 passwords per second on a single NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti. We've expanded the password recovery options for AxCrypt version 2 files. When a user creates an AxCrypt account, an unencrypted public key and a password-protected private key are generated and saved locally on the user machine. The encrypted key is stored in a base64 format in a useraccounts.txt file. Passware Kit now detects AxCrypt private key files and recovers their passwords using brute force method. It's important to note that the encrypted private key is always protected with the latest AxCrypt user account password. Once the password is recovered, Passware Kit creates a decrypted private key PEM file. With a new special attack available for AxCrypt 2.x files, the decrypted private key can be used to instantly unprotect any AxCrypt file of the same account, regardless of its password. If the attack is applicable, it will be listed under the Special Attacks section on the Settings page. Browse for the generated private-key.pem file and add the attack. Click Recover to continue with AxCrypt decryption. In addition, the latest update supports recovering original passwords for QuickBooks 2019 through 2022 databases created on Mac. The new encryption scheme requires at least one account password to be known or recovered with Passware Kit in order to decrypt the file. Drag and drop the database and choose either to recover the password for any user or for some particular accounts. As soon as one or more passwords are found, Passware Kit updates the database, generates passwords for other user accounts, and creates an unprotected copy of the file. Good news, hardware acceleration is possible for QuickBooks files. Finally, Passware Kit now supports the latest version of KeePass password safe, KDBX version 4 format. It can use SHA-20 encryption algorithm to protect password manager databases. GPU acceleration support varies depending on the key derivation function chosen by the user during the KeePass setup process. A user can protect their KeePass database by specifying key files in addition to or instead of the open password. Passware Kit allows to add those key files to the recovery process. We invite Passware Kit forensic users to test a beta version of the all-new distributed password recovery. It supports running multiple attacks simultaneously and minimizes GPU idle time by optimizing the management of the computational resources. With the new beta, it's possible to assign or reassign Password Kit agents to any Password Kit forensic instance within the local network. There is no longer a need to customize password agent settings on each computer. To become a beta tester, please sign up from the Passware account. Discover more details about the latest release in our blog post linked to the video description below. We always welcome feedback or suggestions on how to improve Passware Kit. Thank you for joining us today.